Stories of his legendary feats spread far and wide, and children began to wonder how they could become like the floppy sock magician, the Pistol. $20,000 hours of sweat, toil, and practice were the secrets to Pistol Pete's success. The Pistol knew that only hard work, desire, discipline, and dedication would help him fulfill his father's dream of bringing excitement and uniqueness to Showtime basketball. The unbelievable and unorthodox playmaking and shooting were second nature and fundamental to the master of the unexpected.